for myself.
Just a little disclaimer. These specific settings might not be right for the clips you chose due to the fact that there might be different kind of lighting or other stuff. So take what you learn here and tweak it till it looks nice on the clip you chose. Choose better quality for a smoother remap. Go to Overlay and get a black image. Now go to Mask and choose Mirror. Press Invert, then adjust frame like so. Press on the clip and add 2 keyframes, one at the beginning, one at the end. Please find it in your heart to forgive how slow I'm going at some parts. I was low-key struggling for some reason. Zoom the clip in a bit and move it like so. Click on Graphs, then pick Linear. Add beat to the middle of the line and move it to the corner. Click on the clip, then press Duplicate and put it as an overlay. Go to Layers and move the overlaid clip behind the black frames. Go to Splice and press Overlay, then set it to 45 on both keyframes. Go to Adjust and Copy. Add BW1 on mono and set it to 22. Now I'm gonna add color into the clip. Pause and screenshot if you want the color I'm using. Expand it, then go to Layers and move it behind black frames. Now go to Splice and put it on Overlay. Go to Video Effects, type in Hazy and copy my settings. Click Object and apply to all videos. Now go to Adjust on the main clip and copy my settings. Make sure you add it on both keyframes. Now we're going to add movement on the black frames so it can settle into the transition. Add graphs like how you did before. Now export on 4K resolution, 30 frame rate, and high code rate MPS if your device can handle it. And just like that, you're done. Subscribe and comment if you have any tutorial request you want me to make, and I will do my best to deliver. See you next time.